Roxanne,
Yes?
say I wasn't so normal. Say I was bald and had the complexion of a popular primary color. As a random, non-specific example, would you still enjoy my company?
Of course. You don't judge a book by its cover or a person from the outside.
Oh, that's a relief to hear.
You!
Now, hold on.
You!
Oh, what about everything you just said? About judging a book by its cover?
You actually got me to care about you! Why are you so evil? What could you possibly hope to gain? Do you really think that I would ever be with you?